Welcome to the Second Chances Limited Academy. After watching these short courses, you will be equipped to recycle safely in line with Environment Agency guidelines. You will obtain the knowledge necessary for you to have a positive impact on our planet. Thank you for committing to making the world a better place. After watching these videos, you have the option of completing a short assessment and receiving a certificate of completion. Get in touch with us by email to request your assessment. Fridges, freezers, chillers and air conditioning units. Annually in the UK, around 3 million refrigerators are discarded and an equal number purchased. These appliances often last about 11 years, yet many exceed 20 years of service. Improper disposal poses significant environmental risks due to the hazardous materials they contain. What substances in refrigerators are harmful? Refrigerators manufactured before 2000 frequently contain chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, or hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs, in their insulation or cooling systems. These synthetic chemicals, composed of carbon, fluorine, chlorine, and hydrogen, were once common in aerosols, refrigeration, and solvents. It was later discovered that UV radiation breaks down CFC molecules, releasing chlorine atoms that diminish atmospheric ozone, thereby increasing dangerous UVB radiation on Earth. Consequently, the Montreal Protocol was established to cease their production. How to identify harmful substances in your refrigerator? If your refrigerator dates back to before 2000, it likely contains ozone-depleting substances, ODS, such as CFCs or HCFCs in its insulation or coolant. A label on the fridge should specify its make, model, serial number, and the type of refrigerant used. Common codes are: before 1994. R11, insulation contains CFCs. R12, CFCs used as refrigerant. Between 1994 to 2000. R22, R141B, R142B, insulation contains HCFCs. R134A, HFCs used as refrigerant. What laws govern the disposal of old refrigerators? 3 main laws relate to fridge disposal. 1. Duty of care, waste, household waste, duty of care, England and Wales, Regulations 2005, mandates householders to responsibly dispose of waste, including fridges. This involves either taking it to a licensed facility or ensuring a registered waste carrier collects it, providing a waste transfer note. Non-compliance can result in criminal charges or civil liability, especially if the waste is improperly disposed of. 2. Removal of ODS, EC Regulation 2037-2000, mandates the extraction of ozone-depleting substances from refrigerators before disposal. Non-compliance can lead to a £2,500 fine and potential prosecution. 3. Recycling and recovery, the Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment Regulations, WEEE regs, obligate all stakeholders, from manufacturers to local authorities, to prioritize the reuse, recycling, and recovery of fridge units. What occurs during fridge recycling? When a fridge is recycled, assuming it's not reused, it's sent to a specialized recycling facility. Despite their hazardous components, over 95% of a fridge is recyclable. The recycling process in a sealed environment ensures safe removal of ozone-depleting substances. The steps include: 1. Compressors are detached, and CFCs are extracted from the oils and gases using vacuum and ultrasonics. Some compressors are refurbished. 2. Fridges are shredded in a nitrogen-filled chamber, releasing CFCs from the insulation. 3. The shredded material is dried, with CFCs and nitrogen separated and collected. 4. A sieve separates the insulating foam powder for disposal. 5. Ferrous metals are collected via magnets, and non-ferrous metals are separated from plastics for recycling. 6. CFCs are isolated from nitrogen by cooling to -160 degrees Celsius, then incinerated at high temperatures. Thank you for being part of the Second Chances Limited recycling revolution. Don't forget to check out our next video course. After completing all our video courses, we encourage you to test your knowledge. Get in touch and request an assessment paper by email. This is a great opportunity to showcase what you've learned and to further your commitment to effective recycling. Keep learning and let's make a sustainable difference together.